Welcome back, everybody, to the AI with Marcus J YouTube channel. So we're going to get straight into this. Now, many people are bookkeepers out there, and you want a way to organize things and really save yourself some time. So I'm going to be showing you how to do that with ChatGPT. Now, I'm using the desktop version. Some of you may have access to this. Some of you may use it on your phone, but this is what we're using. So as an example, I'm going to click the plus sign here, and then I'm going to add photos. And what I'm adding is 5 receipts. Okay, so we're going to do 5 receipts. So I'm going to go to my downloads folder, and then I'm going to select every receipt. Okay, and then we're going to do open, and now it is going to upload every receipt we need. And so we're going to give it a prompt, and then we're going to tell it to turn this into an Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so let's go ahead and give it the prompt that we want to give it. So I'm going to click dictate, and then the dictator is going to pick up on the words. So throughout this entire process, I don't have to type anything if I don't want to. So let's click dictate. I'm going to use that one. Use the 5 attached digital receipts to create a bookkeeping spreadsheet. Extract dates, vendors, totals, and line items. Categorize each item by meals, travel, fuel, office, software, supplies, or other. Output an Excel file with a receipt summary, item level detail, and category totals. Flag unclear items. So this process right here, for a lot of you, can cut out hours worth of work. Right now, you can imagine if you got more receipts than this. But let's go ahead and click the up arrow here. And let's see what we come up with. So for those of you that don't know, Microsoft actually has dealings and invested in ChatGPT. So you'll find that with some other platforms, when it comes to Microsoft Word or Excel or, Publisher or some of the other documents that are pertaining to Microsoft, may not actually be able to generate those particular files because of licensing and just pretty much not being in business with Microsoft or ChatGPT in this sense. But let's see what it comes up with. So it's completed that. Let's see. Flagged unclear items, everything else. Let's see what it comes up with. So going to download. I can't remember if I have Excel on this particular computer or not, but let's see what we come up with. So we open it up here. Yeah, I don't have a license, but you can see it's got the dates, it's got the vendor, and then it is categorized each of them. Okay, so just think about the time that it'll save you by simply doing this, right? So a lot of you are looking at this only in the negative aspect of it, but there's some positive aspects to it. But the overall goal of AI is not necessarily to take everybody's job. It's supposed to help with efficiency with the jobs, right? So I can remember way back when, whether you're talking the dot-com bubble and Y2K, if you're old enough to remember that, there was so much scarcity that we thought the world was coming to an end. But in fact, as a result of those technologies, things have gotten better and better. Now, I'm not going to tell you that AI is not going to replace some elements to everyday life, but overall, it's supposed to make things better. Now, let me know what other videos you guys may want. I hope that this helps you out and so you can see what this can do, right? Um just imagine, I remember when you had to grab every receipt individually, and then you would have to look at them, itemize them, put them all in there. Now we don't have to do that. Okay. So again, if you got any kind of videos that you want me to make for you as it pertains to AI and how to use AI from a person that has been a bookkeeper for years, a person that's been an IT professional for 18 years. I've studied this well before it's come out to the public, and I continue to do that now. So I appreciate your time, and till the next one, guys.